Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, it's going to be my everyday makeup routine. So I am new in my channel and this is my second video in my channel, and hope you enjoy this video and give it a thumbs up. Thank you! So first that I'm going, ginagawa ko pag everyday makeup ako, kahit sa school, ganyan. I'm using my Pond's Day Cream Moisturizer. Ito siya. So, ginagamit ko to every day as in. Kaya madali akong maubusan yan. Kaya, nag-ano ko niyan na lagi ako nag-stock kasi mabilis ako maubusan ng moisturizer. So, pag maglalagay kayo ng moisturizer, always use your hands. Kasi, pag sponges yung mga ginagamit nyo, na-absorb ng sponge yung mga product na nilalagay nyo sa face nyo. Hindi naman lahat, pero yung ibang sponges. Pero, nasa inyo yon kung gusto nyo pong gumamit ng sponges. So, ayan. Then, after that, I'm using my Kylie Eyebrow Pencil na dark brown. Yun siya. Tapos, parang ilaline ko lang siya. I got my mirror. Dito sa aking eyebrows. Then after that, para mas maayos, kinukuha ko yung spoofy ko. Spoofy po ba tawag dito? Ganito. Para ma-brush natin siya. Ayan. Next, after that, ayan siya, medyo ganyan lang siya. Next that I'm doing is to put my powder, my baby powder, then getting my mini brush. So, blend na natin siya. After ko nyan, I'm just curling my lashes. Then, getting my Tony Moly Light Magic Lip Tint. So, this is my everyday makeup. Bye! Subscribe to my channel.